Hello community, I hope you are doing good. In this discussion we will see how to control some actions in the list view. Sometimes you have a requirement, right? Like from the list view, you do, if you want to invisible the create button, then after if you want to invisible the delete button or duplicate action, or like if you don't want to import your any CSV file, if you want to invisible that XLX button also, that is also possible. You can also control in the list view. Plus, like if you have a like editable option available in the list view, if you don't want to visible that update button or edit button also, it is also possible in the list view. How we will see in this session only. And in case you missed previous discussion about how to hide or unhide specific fields, please check, link is given in description. And if you want to learn more about Odoo with different topics, you can just visit here in the playlist, and here you can see available different topics also available, and this is the main Odoo playlist. All topics also covered here. Plus, if you want to learn more about Python related useful test cases and editor related some tips, you can visit also these two playlists. Apart from here, like if you need any help related Odoo, then you can just go to shoot your query to this email address. So let's back to our main topic, like how you can also control your actions here. So simply I'm going to in student profile. Now you can see like this create button I want to invisible, this icon also I want to invisible. Let's say here this import feature also I want to invisible, or let's say I want to invisible this delete option from here. It is also possible in the list view. How? Let's see how we can do it. So I'm going to an editor, going to in Odoo training, our custom modules, and here simply I will open the list view. So this is the list view here, and here like I'm trying to use some attributes in the tree tag. So let me comment this one, and let me add a new one, new tree tag. All right, so we already covered this part and it's already available in our playlist, so you can just go and refer those one also. So simple, like we have to, if like we need to hide the create option, then simply we have to use create, and here equal to, we have to mention 0 or 1. So these two value by default provided in the create attribute. By default 1 is true, it means it's visible, and the 0 means here like you can hide this option, the create button option here. So usually by default value is 1 always, so we are not need to override this create attribute. But let's say if you want to hide the create button, simply like you have to add this attribute equal to and the 0 value here, and simple, like we need to upgrade the module, that's it. Now you can see here in the front end side, if once I will refresh the page, you can see this button, I mean this action already hide from this preview. So you can see it's hide this create action here. Like let's say whatever I do any actions here, I can't see this button here. Let's say if you want to hide also this option like this, like once I click here, you can see it's export all the current tree view in this Excel format. But let's say you don't want to display this also, it is also possible, like using one more keyword here, like one more attribute. The name is like export underscore the file name, like sorry, xlsx, and here like we have to mention 0. All right, and simply like we need to go to terminal and trying to upgrade the module here, and trying to refresh the page. Once refresh done, you can see this icon also invisible. So you can see here like it's invisible. So let's say if you want to hide this delete option, so simple, like we have to go to in this editor, and you can just in here, like we have to use delete and we have to provide 0, like same. I have to upgrade the module here, refresh the page, and once you select any of the record, and if you go to here in the action, you can't see the delete option also. All right, then after, like if you see here in the form view, like let's say if you want to also remove this option, then simple, like we need to use duplicate equal to 0. But let me show you one difference here. Like I'm trying to upgrade the module, refresh the page, I'm going to here and I'm trying to see, still it's there. All right, so it's not visible here, and obviously like by default it's not visible, that option in the list view. But somehow like this attribute is not working in the form view, right? Why? Because we mention this attribute in this view, I mean the tree view. But if you cut this one and paste in the form view here, and if you're trying to upgrade the module, and if you refresh the page, now if you open any of form view, now you can see this, that option also, duplicate option also invisible. So you have to remember, like whenever you use these options, make sure like you add those options in the respective view only, otherwise it won't be work like this way. All right, plus there are many things, like if you can't update, like let's say you can't hide this option directly, like using such attributes here. If you want to hide those fields, then you have to reduce the access rights of that specific model, or else like you have to inherit the JS method, and over there simply you have to mention your logic to hide or unhide. All right, so few actions not visible like this way, like easy way here. All right, so you have to remember this one also. So here, like let's say I want to hide also import option from this favorite button. It is also possible, but right now you can see it's not visible here. But why? Due to this, like we mentioned this one, or else like we can use the default value as a 1 to understand more. 1 means like it's this option also available in the list view. Okay, let me refresh the page here. So this option also available. If you notice here, like once you use create equal to 0, I mean the visible this option, by default this option also visible. Sometimes in your requirement, might be in future you have some requirement like create option should be visible, but we don't need to visible this option, then it is also possible. So here like we need to only add here like import, and here simply like we need to mention as 1. Refresh the page, Oh, okay, so I did some mistake. Oh, okay. By default, it's a 1, and we already provided here the 0 value. Uh, so by, like, if you need to unhide, we have to use this 0 1. And let me refresh the page here. Now you can see that option invisible. This option is visible, the create option is visible. Then after this import option invisible here. So let me also add here 1 to 0 and trying to upgrade the module. You can see here like this button also invisible, the create button, plus you can see import button also invisible. From here, sorry, like from here you can see the delete button also invisible. So like this way you can control some actions in the list view using such attributes. I hope you understood these attributes right. In case you have any doubt related these attributes, please comment below, and I'll see you in next session.